Regression testing is the process of retesting a software application after changes like bug fixes, new features, or updates to ensure existing functionality is not broken. For example, fixing a login bug but ensuring it doesn't break the user registration process. Regression testing is crucial as it ensures new code integrates well with existing functionality, maintains a consistent user experience after updates. It detects issues early, saving time and cost in the development lifecycle. Regression testing should be conducted after bug fixes, after adding new features or enhancements, during performance improvements or refactoring, and after environment changes, such as migrating to a new server, to verify system stability and compatibility. Types of regression testing includes: first, we have corrective regression testing. This is the simplest form, where we run the existing test cases without making any changes. It's used when the application's functionality hasn't been altered, but we want to ensure that nothing broke during updates. Example, imagine validating a search functionality after backend upgrades. We'll rerun the same tests as before to confirm the search still works perfectly. Next is progressive regression testing. This is used when new functionalities are added or existing ones are modified. Here, we update or modify our test cases to reflect the changes made in the application. Example, think about a redesigned checkout process in an e-commerce app. The test cases for placing an order would need updates to match the new flow. Then, there's selective regression testing. This type focuses only on the modules or features impacted by the changes. It's more efficient and saves time by narrowing down the testing scope. Example, let's say there was a bug fix in the login feature. In this case, we'll test only the login and password reset features, rather than the entire application. Finally, we have complete regression testing. This is the most thorough type, where we rerun the entire test suite. It's typically performed before major releases to ensure the overall stability of the application. Example, for instance, before rolling out a new version of your app, you'd run all the test cases to validate that every feature works as expected. In October 2018, Microsoft released the Windows October 10th update, version 1809, which introduced several new features and performance enhancements. However, many users reported a severe regression issue. The update unexpectedly deleted personal files from their documents and pictures folders. After the release of iOS 14.2, many users reported severe battery drain on their devices. Phones that previously lasted an entire day began draining significantly faster, even when idle. The regression was attributed to changes in background processes or unoptimized system features introduced in the update. In late 2021 and early 2022, Tesla drivers reported a phantom braking issue after a software update for the Autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) systems. The cars began unexpectedly applying brakes when no obstacles were present, creating a dangerous situation for drivers and passengers. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations.